You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi everyone, it's Holly here with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm coming to you because we got a mystery box, guys. I feel like it's been like way too long since we've had one of these. This one is going to be the Berry Blast mystery box, and it is coming with the Rose Cutie. First up in the box, we're going to get Everyday Iron-On Mesh, and that's going to be in this beautiful raspberry color. And we're also going to get Everyday Iron-On in Cherry. Both of these are going to be 12 by 24 inches. We're also going to get the Sports Flex Iron-On, and this is in that beautiful rose gold metallic. So this is like stretchy and flexible, so it's perfect for activewear that's made of like polyester and nylon. And you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. And we got some premium vinyl in this box. So we're going to get this beautiful fuchsia. This is like hot pink, perfect flamingo color, if you ask me. And we're also going to get it in the tomato red. Now the tomato red is permanent vinyl and the fuchsia is removable vinyl. And both of these you're going to get 12 by 48 inches. I'm always excited for some of my favorite stuff, infusible ink. And honestly, guys, this is one of my favorite patterns because it's so pretty. This is the watercolor splash pattern. So at the time I did this video, I had not received the mystery box yet. That's why this one's animated. But here are close-ups more of the two sheets you're gonna get. So you're gonna get the one that is the pink and the light pink. I'm thinking about doing that with the flamingo. And then the other one is like, hello, pink, purple, teal, green. Like literally all my happy colors, beautifulness right there. And then you're gonna get, for that, you're gonna get a 12 by 12 sheet of each. What else do we have? Well, we're going to get the foil iron-on in red. This is perfect for like, I already have Christmas ideas in my head of some things I want to use that on. That'll be gorgeous for. And then, so for that, you're going to get 12 by 24 inches. And then we're also going to get a tube of the holographic vinyl in pink. Whenever it's holographic, I say it's the stuff unicorns are made out of. So I guess to me, unicorns are made out of holographic, but it's shimmery, it's pink, and then that you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of. All of our favorite mystery boxes comes with a cutie, and this one we are getting a cutie in. We have the Rose Cutie. Now this one is a repeat. It did come out in 2020. So that is going to finish off the Berry Blast mystery box, guys. So I think it's a beautiful mystery box. It is like all the shades of red and pink you can basically imagine, and I don't know about you, but I can always use those colors. So here's a list of everything that's included in the box. It is going to be for $59.99. It is available to Access members only, but if you're not Access, you can go ahead and sign up and purchase the box. And as always, you get your Access discount with the box. Links are below to purchase the mystery box, and quantities are limited, so if you don't want to miss out, you want to purchase that quickly. And also in the links below, you can enter for the Melody Lane monthly giveaway. And this one is a big one, guys. Usually we do a $500 giveaway. This one, we are giving away a Cricut Autopress. That is a $1,000 prize, guys. So enter, and good luck to you all. That is open until August 28th. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to all of our wonderful peeps, all of our Patreon, our subscribers, our sponsors, our admins. Like, literally, we couldn't do this without you guys. So we want to thank you guys all, and happy crafting. And from Alex, toodles. Bye, guys.